Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I know that you guys have all been waiting for Paige and have requested her. She has a very simple makeup look, very easy to achieve. Honestly, I felt like this was the one that I looked the least like. I don't think I look anything like the other girls, but Rose McGowan, she has such a different and unique face. You know, it's very hard to even resemble her remotely. So I had to do everything I could, like study the makeup and also try to figure out like a nice hairstyle. So I was looking everywhere and I came across this wonderful wig, and this is from a company called ReadyWig.com. And honestly, this really helped pull the look together for me for Paige when she first came out on the show, which was season 4. So she made her big debut in season 4, whether you liked it or not, like she was there to stay. And I thought that she had a great style and I loved her sleek black hair, and that's exactly what I was looking for with this. Luckily, I was able to find it on ReadyWig.com. So it came in this really adorable box for like so very pretty and aesthetically pleasing. Next came a wig cap, which is always good to have, which I was really happy about. I love when wig companies do that. And it also came with a really cute clip. Like, I love these flowers so much. Oh, it fell out of my hand. And then a cute little spray bottle, I guess, when you want to clean the wig. These wigs are really cheap. Like, if you go through their page, they have a lot of really cheap wigs. So they're not going to be overpriced or anything. And so I was like, when I was expecting to see something really low quality and really synthetic looking, but actually I'm really impressed by this. Like, I love the way this looks on me, and I'm actually about to go run errands as Paige. I know. I love the cut of it. It's very Paige, very mysterious. I'm going to zoom into the hairline and then we can get into the tutorial. So this is the hairline. This is what I was telling you about. There are no baby hairs or anything like that, so it's going to look more wig-like, especially with this human hair part right here. Well, it's not human hair, but it's like a scalp kind of, and it's like a part, and that doesn't always look the most realistic, but like I said, it's pretty good. But anyways, if you guys are interested in it, I'll leave it in the link below. I was really happy that it looked just like Paige's wig, and I loved it. But anyways, without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a lighter color for my face. So I'm just using my concealer and I'm going to place this all over my face. I know that seems bizarre, but like I said, Paige looks pretty much like Snow White. So I need to kind of create that illusion that I have a paler complexion. My features are not even close to being similar to Rose McGowan. Like I mentioned in the intro, she has very unique features, stuff that people usually can't replicate. So I am just going to try my best in making myself appear more like have a pale complexion, just to, you know, gravitate more towards the character herself. Now, like I said, if there will be probably a part 2 to this look. I know a lot of you guys wanted to see a Paige with red hair, so if you guys let me know in the comments below, I will definitely do a second version to this look. And I can't wait to do that because I have red hair, so it'll be a lot easier to relate to. So what I'm doing is just blending this all over my face. I don't recommend it. Like, concealer all over the face is kind of gross, but like I said, I was just trying to grasp the character. Also making my brows thinner because she has very thin straight eyebrows. I'm not giving myself the straight eyebrow look because it doesn't work for me because my eyebrows are just so thick and hard to cover. So all I'm doing is just making them a lot thinner because I do have thicker brows. So you're just going to blend all of that out and hope for that Snow White complexion, just like Paige's. So, still blending away. I see, it took me forever to blend. But now I'm taking my Fit Me powder, and this is like a porcelain color. She definitely has porcelain skin color, and I'm making myself nice and matte, but also giving myself that like natural glow, kind of letting that come through in my skin, because if I make myself look too matte, it just doesn't go with her character. Like, she does have a matte face, but she does have like a glow. I know that sounds like really contradictory. Like, what did she have then? No, I just mean like a natural, like skin-like glow. So now I'm just making sure that there's no red in my eyebrows, and I'm taking this Koi cream blush right here, and I'm using this for all my charm tutorials because they all have very natural flushes to their face. So that's what I'm doing. She has very pink cheeks, and yeah. So this look is really simple. Like, her makeup was never as done up in the first season she appeared in, which was season 4. And by season 5, you could tell they really started experimenting with her makeup. So that's what I'm more excited for to do, is the Paige that is very more experimental. Okay, so I'm going to do one first version of a look, and I'm just taking this Almond Satin palette, and it's by Maybelline. And I'm just taking the light nude color and placing this all over my lids, underneath my brow bone area. Like I said, this is going to be super natural and easy to achieve. Their makeup was never super out there, so just make sure that you are applying more of that color in the lids. So all over the lids. Then we're going to take this other champagne-y color and place this on the inner corners of our eyes. So just continue to do that. She does have some brightness in her eyes, so that's what I have noticed. And now the next step after brightening up the eyes is, I'm pretty sure she had a little bit of light shadow in her crease. So I'm taking this taupe color right here and just placing it on the crease. Don't go overboard. Like I said, I just want it to look kind of like a casted shadow on the eye. I have a lot of lid space. I think what makes our faces so different from each other is her nose points upwards and mine points down. I have them all on my face, kind of like Prue did, and my face is longer than hers. She has a shorter face, so I just think that's what it was just so hard to just grasp her character. But like I said, if I do a second tutorial on this, trust me, that is going to be way better. I already have lots of ideas and screenshots of her on my iPad, so yeah, just make sure you blend that into the sockets and make it look like a nice shadow, nothing too dramatic. I just love her face, though. She's so beautiful. So then you're going to want to bring the shadow on the lower lash line as well. And then make sure you touch up that inner corner. I know I touched up the other eye, but I needed to show you guys. I need using that brown shadow right here for liner, because she did have a tiny wing on her upper lash line, but it wasn't too dark. It was very natural looking. So use a little card to make sure that it's nice and even and sharp, but nice and natural. So I'm just taking some mascara and I am curling my lashes. No falsies, nothing like that. It was charmed. They didn't have too much makeup on. So I'm just coating my lashes with some mascara, obviously, and running it through, coating both lashes evenly, and then after that I'm going to skip to the lower lashes. Now for the lips, I'm taking Tawny by Jordana, which is a very natural lip shade, and I'm going to line my lips. She has nice full lips, a little fuller than mine, so I'm just making my upper lips like a little more rounded because they're very pointy, kind of like Piper's. And then I'm taking this corally lip gloss. I kind of wish I went for a more nudie lip gloss because this one came off on camera really red, but it really isn't that red. Like, it's nice and natural, just a coral touch. But that was the first look. I'm doing a second one. All I'm doing is adding a little bit of blue because I noticed in a lot of episodes she had like an icy blue shadow a lot of the time. So all I'm doing is just taking a little bit of that frosty blue color and placing it over the eyeshadow. Like, not even in a super neat fashion or anything, just very, very natural. And that is it for the Paige look, you guys. Very easy to achieve. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Okay guys, that is it for my Paige Matthews tutorial. It's so weird that she wasn't like Halliwell, but I know she's from a different line. But if you guys want to see a part 2 to Paige, which is Paige with red hair, when she did more of like the pinup type of makeup, like the red lipstick and the eyeliner, which she looked so gorgeous in that season. And that was in season 5 when she came out with the red hair. If you do want to see a look on that, just give this video a thumbs up and let me know, or not, like, because if you don't let me know, then it tells me that maybe you don't want to see it. So please let me know below if you want to see a part 2 to Paige. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.